Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Great to see so many DePIN enthusiasts whether here, whoever is here listening to this. Thank you for coming. It's great to co-host our event here with IoTeX. Rome and IoTeX go way back. We've been co-hosting events with them since a couple of years now. I believe IoTeX and Rome have been the first and the very original projects who really pushed DePIN up in this space and made DePIN what it is today. We were essentially the ones who even helped form the definition of DePIN. So what is DePIN when you think about DePIN? Decentralized physical infrastructure. But I believe infrastructure has been around always, since a long time. Humans have been building infrastructure, making it better, and helping it grow, and pushing it everywhere. But with DePIN, what we're trying to do is making it decentralized, incentivizing the users with token or points, and giving the power back to the users rather than big industries having all of the power. At Rome, the biggest agenda for us is to bring all the Web2 users onto the Web3 platform. We have traditional Web2 companies like Samsung Next, Qualcomm invest in us because they also want to be on the DePIN train and want to help in growing the DePIN network to what it is today. It is still small, but as I said, infrastructure has been along this way since a long, long time. So we at Rome are trying to bring Wi-Fi together and build the DePIN infrastructure even more. Let me give you a quick explanation of what we're doing here. So what is Rome? Rome is a global decentralized Wi-Fi network which aims to bring over 600 million Wi-Fi networks together into one global roaming network. You can walk into these 600 million Wi-Fi nodes, connect to them seamlessly, and at the same time earn rewards. So why we chose Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is essentially a thing that everybody uses. Right now, probably some of you are connected to Wi-Fi as well. And any Web2 user, if we want to bring them on board the Web3 train, Wi-Fi is probably the easiest option. We want to incentivize the users to use our network, help it grow, and again, as I mentioned, make it into one global roaming network. Now, how we're going to do it? Let me first explain the issues with Wi-Fi today. Wi-Fi is fragmented, it is split into pieces, and some big telcos control all of it. There are some issues like hard to monetize, inconsistent coverage, public Wi-Fi is not secure clearly, and repetitive logins. We want to defeat all these issues and bring it into a global network where people can seamlessly enjoy all the benefits of Wi-Fi and at the same time earn rewards. Now, how we do it is by using open roaming. Open roaming protocol has been in the space since quite some time, but nobody has really tapped into it. It was developed by WBA, which is the Wireless Broadband Alliance. It is seamless, gives you enterprise-grade security, and also is the world's largest Wi-Fi roaming alliance with over 3.5 million nodes. Let me explain you what open roaming is in the easiest way. So imagine when you walk into your home, you connect to the Wi-Fi automatically. You don't have to log in, you don't have to select the Wi-Fi you want to connect to, you don't want to input the password, you just connect. That's basically what open roaming is. If you walk into any of the open roaming nodes, you automatically connect to the internet without any login procedure. However, there are still some issues with open roaming, like lack of incentives, unsupported hardware, coordination issues, and login challenges. Wi-Fi is free, so who will pay for it? This is where we want to incentivize the users to bring and use our network so that they get incentivized and earn money while doing so. Open roaming is the Web3 solution which is going to bring all of the Wi-Fis together and help people earn rewards. How, you ask, is by incentivizing and using the Web3 solutions such as credentials. Now, we believe incentivizing the users is really important because it leads to direct growth. So imagine if you're being paid to help grow a network or help adopt a network. But at the same time, we use the Web3 features such as DIDs and VCs. DIDs are decentralized IDs, and VCs are verified credentials. So we bring the perfect mix of Web 2 and Web 3 together to help the network grow and incentivize the users. How we do is, we have two essential things, the Roam miner and the Roam app. So the Roam miner is a piece of hardware which you can buy today on our website, vroam.xyz. These miners help you earn rewards. They help you establish an open roaming node wherever you establish this node, bring Wi-Fi 6E to the world, and soon you will be able to develop D-apps on our network. Now imagine you own a coffee shop and you deploy this miner there. So the more users that come and connect to your miner, the more will be your reward, and the more incentive they will even get. So essentially, it is a win-win situation for the user and for the merchant. Now let me explain a bit more about the Roam app. Roam app, which is available for download today on the Apple iOS store and the Google Play Store, is a free app which you can download and form your Web3 identity, which is a DID, and be a part of the DID of Web3 world. You can earn rewards on the app by adding nodes to the network, completing gamified quests, and checking and validating your geolocations. By this, users are able to provide their 3W data, which is what, where, when, but in a decentralized way, using your DID. So your ID is never compromised because it's on the blockchain and it's super secure. Let's take a quick look at the Roam network today. So this is our Roam Explorer. You can see all the pink nodes, which are the nodes wherever you can walk into and get connected to the internet and earn rewards. Since we're based out of Vancouver, you will see a lot of pink spots there because we are growing a lot in the Vancouver area. So as I mentioned, all these places you can go and earn rewards right now and get connected to it. Countries like Nigeria, where Web3 adoption has been slow but has been growing now, you can see how many people have been adding nodes there. Countries in the Middle East, like Dubai, also has a lot of nodes in them. This video, however, is outdated, guys, let me tell you, because now we have over 250,000 network nodes, plus the 3.5 million open roaming nodes, which you can go into, connect, and enjoy earning rewards. These are the points that we have, which you can earn by checking in, doing the quest, and performing other in-app activities. Recently, we crossed the all-time high for our check-ins, which was 65,000 daily active check-ins, which is essentially 65,000 users checking in daily and validating their geolocations. For the app users, we recently crossed 200,000 app users on our network. Now, let me just give you a quick run-through of our app. So this is how you can use the Roam app and at the same time earn rewards. So you go to your settings and you try to connect to an open roaming node, but it is going to ask for a login procedure every time you try to connect to it. See, users don't want to do that. It's a tedious process. But with the Roam app, you can install this app on your phone today, make a wallet, create a DID, back up your wallet, and then install an open roaming profile on your phone. We're the only Web3 project which provides an open roaming profile on your devices today. You can finish the setup, and the profile will install quickly on your phone. You're all done. And now you'll see how it'll automatically connect to the open roaming node. You don't need to do anything. Now, this is essentially the easiest and the seamless procedure that we can give to the users. Whenever you walk into any of the open roaming places, you get connected this fast and this easily. And then you can check in on our app to validate your geolocations and at the same time earn a beautiful sticker and earn some points. Now, these points will be redeemable or burnable for our token, which is going to launch soon. So I hope you start mining the Roam points ASAP. This is the map where you can just walk into and connect to all these nodes. It's a super fun app, guys. You would love to play around with it. And at the same time, we have few new quests on the app, like the leaderboard, where you can try to challenge your friends and earn more M points and Rome points, and pretty much defeat them. So that's Rome, guys. That's the Rome app. You can download it today from iOS and Android app stores. Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody who's here. Really happy to co-host this event with IoTeX. As I said, we go way